Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite chia pudding. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by making our mixed berry topping. To our saucepan, we're going to add our berry mix along with your favorite sweetener. And of course, depending on how sweet you want it, then it depends on how much you're going to add. Now we're just going to set it over high heat and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, mix it. Reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for 15 minutes. Make sure to move it around consistently. After 15 minutes, our topping is done. So we're just going to turn it off. And this is optional, but I'm also going to be adding a splash of Mexican vanilla blend. So just mix it. And just allow it to cool down. Okay, now to make our chia pudding, I'm going to be using 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I like to use this one, the one in a can, because I feel like it's creamier and thicker. But of course, you can always use the one in the cardboard. But just make sure that you mix 1 cup with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of your favorite sweetener. I'm using maple syrup. Going to mix it, and here you can taste it and see if you want to add any more sweetener, but just keep in mind we're also going to top it with a topping, so you don't want it to be too sweet. Okay, now to that, add 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds. Just mix it, and of course, depending on how many servings you're going to make, then you're just going to do them individually. But just give this 5 minutes, and then we're going to mix it again before placing them back in the refrigerator. After 5 minutes, our chia seeds should have bloomed. So we're just going to give it a quick mix. And as you can see, they begin to thicken up. So now we're just going to cover them, place it in the refrigerator, and allow the chia seeds to soak in all of the milk for at least 4 hours. The longer, the better. Alright guys, so after at least 4 hours, our chia seeds are done. So now we have our chia pudding, so we can now get ready for the fun part. And of course, you can always serve them and top them in your containers, just how I did here. And I'm just going to transfer it to my bowl. Here I'm going to top it with my berry topping. Going to top it with some fresh berries, some strawberries, some granola, and of course some coconut flakes. I almost forgot my bananas. But of course you can always top them with all of your favorite fresh fruits. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious chia pudding. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so filling, and of course you can always make it to your liking. This is just my favorite way of making them. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. A little crunch from the granola, cherry on top. So good, not too sweet, it's perfect. Of course, the fresh fruit, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious chia pudding. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.